Today we are in Southern Oregon where I grew up, and we're gonna go hike the lower Table Rock hike. There are two. The upper one is behind me, and then where we're heading is down lower Table Rock, so it should be a good one. We're the way in. The view's already looking pretty nice. We're not even halfway though. You can kind of see the rock up there. Yeah, this hike is a relatively easy hike. I think it says about 3 miles round trip. It's not too shabby. It's a bit of a steep incline, about like 700-800 feet, but other than that, it's not too bad at all. We're doing the winter, so it's raining since we're in the PNW. It's pretty dreary today, but in the summers, especially in Southern Oregon, when it can get to like 100 degrees, sunny. All right, on to the top. And here we are. As you can see, we made it to the top. Currently, this is kind of looking towards east, towards upper Table Rock. We're on lower Table Rock right now. This one is the slightly longer hike, but very, very short and doable. I'm gonna show you kind of over the edge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.